therefore it is one variable, means there is only job. Suppose in this box 10 jobs are there. Now because there is only one variable, so suppose jobs 10 jobs are there, therefore as in equation we get x minus 2 is equal to 8. We get when this 2 goes there, it becomes positive. We get x is equal to 8 plus 2 10. 10 students. Now again students, x minus 3 is equal to 7. We get x is equal to 7 plus 3 again 10. We get infinite equations out of there students. Now if in this box now chalks are already there, then we put pens. Now similarly we put pen in this box. Now two variables are there, so we friends, if because there are two variables, so suppose there are total 10 things. Now total 10 things we get, because two types of things, we get x plus y is equal to 10. Now by adding, because pen and chalks total is 10, so we get this equation. Now students, this is linear equation in two variables. Now students, in your exercise 4.1 question number 1, exercise 4.1 check 4.1 question number 1, exercise 4.1 question number 1. Students, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement student. Now let the cost of pen equal x and let the cost of notebook equal y. Students, now because cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen, we get 2x. Cost of notebook is y. Cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen, we get y is equal to 2x. This is a linear equation in two variable. We represent it as 2x minus y is equal to 0. It's the equation now. Now in question number 2 students, in question number second, express the following linear equation in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. In your first part 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35. Now students, we have to find constants values a, b and c from here. Students, by we get a is equal to 2 here, coefficient of x in coefficient of x is here, a is, and coefficient of x here is 2, so a is 2. Now coefficient of y in this equation is b, in this equation is 3. We get 3 is equal to 3, and c is equal to 9.35, and second part is here x minus by taken as 1. Coefficient of x, a, here is 1, a is equal to 1, student. Now, here is coefficient of y is b, b is equal to, here is 1, student, 1 upon 5, and here is a minus, so minus 1 upon sine. You can write sign of, if sign is negative, put sign here negative, student. So next is c here, c is equal to, because c is also negative, so write it minus 10. But next, third, fourth, all parts are same. Do yourself, students. Third to all, do yourself. Do yourself. In question second, first part. Here, your first part is write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. Now, student, 2x plus y is equal to 7. We have to find 4 solutions because there are infinite solutions here. Out of those infinite, we have to find only 4 solutions, student. Now, taken the value of y or x, your choice. I have taken y is equal to 1. Taken, let y is equal to 1. We get 2x plus 1 is equal to 7. 2x is equal to 7 minus 1. Here is 1 is positive here, becomes negative here. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 upon 2, 3. It's a first solution now. Y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. This is the first solution. Now, taken y is equal to 3. Let y is equal to 3 now. Students, 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. 2x equals 7 minus 3. What we get when we subtract 7 minus 3? We get 4. 2x equals 4. X is equal to 4 because these are multiplied. We get 4 upon 2. We get 2 to the 4. X is equal to 2. Now second solution is y is equal to 3. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Now students, let y is equal to 5. Next solution, let y is equal to 5. We get 2x plus 5 is equal to 7. 2x equals 7 minus 5. X equal 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Upon में आ गया 2, student, we get 1. Your next solution is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5. Now for the fourth solution, let y is equal to I have taken 1, 3 and 5. Now taken 12. Now what we get? 2x plus 12 equal to 7. We get 2x equals 7 minus 12. We get x is equal to 12 minus 7 is a negative number. We get 5. We get 5 upon में 2 upon में चला गया. We get minus 5 upon 2. Or you can write minus 2.5. Any value you can take and find 4 solution out of these. Now students, in your second part here, pi x plus y is equal to 9. Similarly, we have to find 4 solutions. Now let y is equal to 1. We get pi x plus 1 is equal to 9. Now pi x equal 9 minus 1. X equal 8 upon pi. third solution, let y is equal